A good push-up board opens up angles, targets specific muscles, and protects your joints. In this video, I looked at 5 of the most popular boards out there, dug through the specs, the user feedback, and the training data to find which ones are worth the space in your home gym. Here's what I found. The KUYOU isn't just a push-up board, it's a full home gym kit. The foldable board features color-coded positions targeting chest, shoulders, triceps, and back, scientifically shown to activate 30 to 50% more muscle growth than standard push-ups. The rotating handles allow natural wrist movement through the full range of motion, significantly reducing joint strain. The kit includes 6 latex resistance bands with fabric covers, a 3-section Pilates bar, ankle straps, and a door anchor, all packed in a carry bag. To use it, snap the handles into your desired color position and perform push-ups with proper form. The deeper stretch at the bottom increases muscle activation. Users praise the complete system, but note the board itself is slightly smaller than dedicated standalone models. Best for anyone building a portable home gym. The MQRW takes the all-in-one concept further by adding an ab roller wheel to the mix. The foldable push-up board uses color-coded positions to target chest, triceps, shoulders, and back with claimed 80% improved efficiency. The 6 resistance bands, ankle straps, door anchor, and 3-section bar mirror the KUYOU's versatility, but the included ab roller adds core work to your routine. The rotating handles protect wrists during high-volume training. To use it, select your target muscle group via the color guide, snap the handles in place, and perform your push-ups. The bands attach easily for added resistance or row variations. Users appreciate the complete system value, but note the board's build feels slightly less premium than standalone options. The MaoChang takes a radically different approach. No color-coded positions, no rotating handles, no plastic. It's a solid 2x2-inch stainless steel plank measuring 15 by 9 inches, sanded for non-slip grip. That's it. It supports up to 500 pounds without flexing or bowing. To use it, simply grip the edges and perform your push-ups, planks, or core exercises. The textured surface cushions hands and forearms while providing secure traction. There are no moving parts, no assembly, nothing to break. Users praise its bulletproof construction and zero-wobble stability, but note the fixed grip width limits variety. The AERLANG stands out for its size, 26.2 by 13.8 inches, the largest here, providing ample room for dynamic movements. The color-coded positions target chest in blue, shoulders in red, triceps in green, and back in yellow. But the extra surface area enables cardio exercises like mountain climbers, burpees, and high knees, turning it into a full-body platform. It weighs under 3 pounds and folds flat in seconds for travel. To use it, simply unfold, select your hand positions based on the color guide, and train. The IUT features 15 angled slots targeting chest, arms, shoulders, core, and back. The industrial-grade ABS structure with reinforced non-slip base supports users up to 600 pounds, the highest capacity here. The ergonomic handles are wider than most, reducing joint strain and making it ideal for rehab or anyone with wrist sensitivity. The elevated position increases range of motion for deeper muscle activation. To use it, select your slot, grip the handles, and perform push-ups with proper form. It folds flat for easy storage and includes a printable progression guide. Users praise its rock-solid stability and joint-friendly design, but note the wider handle spacing may feel different for those accustomed to narrow grip work. Best for heavier athletes, those with wrist issues, or anyone who prioritizes stability and joint protection above all else.